how to create a clipping mask inside Procreate Dreams. If you're interested in downloading this exact project file, check out the description box below. So over here, I have a quick animation, or rather a chunk of it. Let me just play real quick to show you what I mean. As you can see, these art supplies will jump up and down, and the bottom paper will move along. So currently the paper texture covers up the whole area of the background. If I just hide the paper texture for a minute, you can see underneath I actually have a polygon shape to represent the table. So my goal for this chunk of animation is to only show the overlapped area. So I want the paper texture to be in charge of the appearance and the movement, and I want the table to be in charge of the shape. In this scenario, what I really need is a clipping mask. So right now we have two layers. We have the paper texture on top, and we have the shape layer at the bottom. So I want to long hold the top track, the paper texture, until I see the pop-up menu, and then under mask, I want to choose clipping mask. But before I tap on the clipping mask, I want you to pay attention to the corner, the upper two corners of my stage, because you will see that when I tap on it, when I tap on the clipping mask, the corners will disappear. That is because the job of the clipping mask is to only show the overlapped area between two layers. Again, the top layer is in charge of the appearance, and the bottom layer is in charge of shape. So that is how you create a clipping mask in Procreate Dreams. I will see you in the next video.